My voice is clear, everyone? Hello?
Yes, sir.
What is SAP methodology? In SAP, now we will understand Activate also. In SAP versus Activate methodology. Yes, can you see? See SAP in SAP methodology? Yes. It has 5 steps: project preparation, business blueprint, realization, client preparation, go live and support. Yes or no? We did this right now. Yes or no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes. So there is one more methodology called Activate methodology. If you see below, Activate methodology. It has 6 phases, not 5. Yes. So, Ashutosh, read first two. Read first two.
Discover. The project team assess the SAP solution, evaluates capabilities, and identify high level of business needs. And prepare. Project initialization, refine scope definition, team provisioning, and details project planning.
Send the passcode. Send the passcode to the group, please.
Your voice is breaking.
Yes, can anyone send the passcode in the group, please? Passcode भेजो कोई तो group में, please. Sanika, can you send the passcode, please? Pragati, done.
Sir, I had sent the passcode. Yes.
Very good, Pragati. Thank you. Let's wait for Indumati. Has she joined? Yes. Okay. Great. So, everyone, we are doing ASAP methodology. We did. Now we are doing SAP Activate methodology. Activate has 6 steps. Okay. So now if you see discover and prepare. Discover, the project team assesses SAP solution, evaluates capabilities, and identifies high-level business needs. And project prepare, project initiation, refine scope definition, team provisioning, and detailed project planning. These 2 steps are like the step 1 here. Step 1 in ASAP methodology, which is project preparation. Okay. Then explore. Sanika, read explore.
Explore. Relative fit to standard workshop. Prototypes are used to evaluate SAP best practices and identify configuration gaps.
Okay, this is like the second step, which is like the documentation. is like the business blueprint. Okay. Then the third step is realize. Fourth is realize. Pragati, read realize.
Realize iterative development and configuration cycles to incrementally build and test the solutions in short sprints.
Okay. So this is like a realization phase, yes, which is the cooking part of it. This is the third part here in ASAP methodology. All right. Then the fourth part, Alekya, read. Fifth, deploy.
Deploy. Final system preparation, data migration, use training, cutover execution, and production rollout.
This is like the fourth step here, which is final preparation. Okay. In ASAP. And then Indumati, read. Sixth step.
Run ongoing operation, system monitoring, continuous optimization, and support of the live environment.
Correct. This is like the fifth step here in ASAP methodology. Now, what is the difference between ASAP and Activate? What is the difference? The difference is this is was used in when we were using ECC. This is the modern methodology. Yes, currently we use Activate methodology. This is like a waterfall methodology. ASAP is waterfall methodology. What do you mean by waterfall? One step is done, only then you can go to second step. Yes. Waterfall happens from top to bottom or bottom to top.
To
Top
bottom.
Top to bottom.
to bottom.
कौन बोला रे बॉटम टू टॉप जाता है waterfall?
No, top to bottom.
अच्छा, waterfall ऊपर से नीचे आता है ना. Waterfall comes from top
हाँ.
and then goes down. Yes. So it's like first you do project preparation. Once this is completed, only then you can do business blueprint. Once this is done, only then you can do realization. Once this is realization, then you can do final preparation. Yes. And once this is done, only then you can go to go live and support. There is not much flexibility. Okay. Once you finish realization, yes, you cannot go back to business blueprint. You have to go down only. Yes. It is very difficult to change this process. This is not that flexible. Okay. But your SAP Activate methodology is agile. Agile means you can do discover, prepare, and let's say you're an explore, but you can go back and change it also. Go back and change something and come back. This is a much more flexible process. A modern S4 HANA process, which is called SAP Activate methodology. Clear, everyone?